Okay ma, this is leech. You see that ma? This is leech. Okay, dorsal view. First one is, the second one is ventral view. First one is dorsal view, the second one is ventral view. So next we see the segmentation. So metamerism is the segmentation of the body. Metamerism is the segmentation of the body. Here just you see that it's very clearly, each segment it will be very clear. First segment, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay ma, just you see that each segments it will be very clear. So it is that segmentation of the body. Okay, the body of leech is divided into 33 segments. Totally how many segments in that leech ma? 33 segments. Okay, totally 33 segments. So the segments are arranged, each segments are arranged one behind the other. Each segments are arranged one behind the other. And also each segments again divide into rings or annuli. Each segment divide again rings or annuli. வளையமா ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட்னா கண்டங்கள், ஒவ்வொரு கண்டமும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அப்படியே மறுபடியும் என்னது அப்படியே லைட்டாக அதில் ஒரு வளையம் என்ன செய்யும் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தேட் ரிங்ஸ் ஆர் annuli. After that a temporary clidellum it is formed in that segments 9 to 11. So these three segments forming that clidellum. Okay ma? So it is used, this clidellum is used to produce a cocoon during that breeding season time. Reproduce பண்ணும்போது இந்த 9 to 11ல clidellumங்கிற ஒரு ஃபார்மேஷனை ஏற்படுத்தும். எதுக்காக? அந்த கூடு ஏற்படுத்துகிறது தான் cocoon, to produce a cocoon. ஓகேயா? to produce a cocoon. ஓகேயாம்மா? அந்த ப்ரீடிங் சீசனில் அந்த கூட்டை உருவாக்குறதுக்காக இந்த கிளைடெல்லாம் வந்து 9 to 11ல் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. ஓகேயாம்மா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு we see the receptors. Okay, segmental receptor organ is given. Okay, see that dorsal side there are 5 pairs of eyes on that first 5 segments. Dorsal, this is the dorsal view, first 5 segments. Okay amma, first 5, you see the first 5 segments, 5 pairs of eye, 5 pairs, totally 10. Yes, so this 5 segments it is present in the first 5 segments. Each segments bears a number of sensory projections. Each segments a number of sensory projection that is called receptor. Each number of projection that is called receptor. Okay amma, each segments has the projection that is called receptor. Then the annular receptor are located in each annulus, and the segmental annular receptor is present in where? annulus. அந்த வளையங்களில் annulusல காணப்படும் annular segment. And that segmental receptor are located on the first annulus. அந்த வளையங்கள் ஒவ்வொரு கண்டங்களுக்கு இடையிலே அந்த annulus, அந்த annuli வளையம் வந்து காணப்படும்ல, அந்த வளையத்தில் அந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு செக்மெண்டல் அதான். ஸோ தட் annulus and the segmental receptor are located on the first annulus of each segment. ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட்டில் உள்ள அந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு annulusல தான் என்ன காணப்படும்? segmental receptor. Okay, segmental receptor is present in the annulus of each segment. ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட்டில் உள்ள ஃபஸ்ட் annulus. ஒவ்வொரு செக்மெண்ட்டில் உள்ள ஃபஸ்ட்டு annulus. ஓகேம்மா, do you understand that ma? So you know that receptor? Yes. Next we see that suckers. Okay ma, here posterior sucker is given. Okay, posterior sucker, this is the sucker. Okay, so leech has 2 suckers. Leech has how many suckers ma? 2 suckers. The suckers are located at the anterior end. One of the sucker is located in that anterior end, that is called anterior sucker or oral sucker. Anterior sucker or oral sucker. Then that it is that in that posterior sucker is formed by the fusion of the last 7 segments. Last 7 segments jointed together to form the posterior sucker. Okay ma, the anterior sucker helps for feeding. Both the suckers help in attachment and locomotion. So that leech attach that place or any organism, it is used for the sucker. The sucker is used for that attachment and also feeding and also locomotion. Okay ma, anterior sucker only used for feeding, then both the suckers helps for locomotion and also attachment. Okay, and also attachment. Okay ma.